Hi guys, I'm Vanita Bhavsar, and few of you already know about me because I think the preliminary people who are going to be watching my introductory video are the ones who already know about me, right? Because I'm going to be posting this on multiple social media channels, and I'm the founder of Headstrong HR Consulting Services, where we are, giving HR services exclusively to the real estate companies, especially MSMEs companies and real estate. Excited about this, and I'm very happy to announce that I'm starting with my new YouTube channel called the Vanita Bhavsar Growth Theory. Now, I am very happy about this because if you already know how much do I emphasize on the importance of growing, succeeding, right? As an individual, as professional, be okay with the circumstances that we are in spite of we not enjoying it and not really doing anything to change it, right? So the Vinita Bhavsar Growth Theory channel will be focused on sharing about how you can grow, which will make you a better performer. And when you become a better performer, you earn more. When you earn more, a lot of your personal issues are solved, and your relationship also gets better to a certain extent with whether it is your family or it's your loved ones. So yes, this particular channel is exclusively will be focused on sharing everything and anything about how you can grow as an individual. I do not mean in any way growing like in height or weight. No, it is about intellectual growth. It is about your performance growth. It is about how better you are getting how better you are getting in your work, how better you're getting in your relationship, how better you're getting in your finances, your other areas of life as well. So I'm going to be covering this topic. I'm going to be talking about those small changes that you can apply in your daily routine, which going to make you a better individual and which going to make you a high performing individual, which can give you that desired title out there. On this particular platform, we will also be interviewing, meeting, sharing ideas, having a very neutral and open discussions and conversations with the leaders out there, the leaders from the community that I'm closely connected, or definitely the real estate industry. So if you're someone who's in real estate, especially, you should be hooked to this channel because I'm going to be meeting out, discussing ideas, the trends that are happening in real estate out there. I'm going to be meeting the leaders, the CEOs, the founders of real estate companies, and inviting them on on this YouTube channel, having some deep conversations about how you can perform better when we talk from a real estate per se as well, how you can become a better individual, a high performing individual. And most importantly, because if you have dipped into this industry, the only one reason is money. So how can you earn more money and how can you live a richer life, right? There's a lot of hard work out there. And one thing I will definitely say is because watching such videos had a very good impact in my life. I have become a better individual, a better human, and a high performing professional individual when I talk from a career point of view, which has opened a lot of gates in terms of getting opportunities from the market, which is actually making my life easy. But I'm sort of doing something that I enjoy the most. That is, I'm in the HR space. I get jobs, I meet a lot of people out there, I solve a lot of problems out there. So I am enjoying what I'm doing. From this particular podcast, you can catch up what is actually happening in the industry, and most importantly, how you can grow as an individual, as a professional, as someone in a relationship, as well as to a certain extent, we're gonna cover spirituality. So yes, I hope you have subscribed to my channel to stay tuned. And this is my first video for this particular YouTube channel. I am really excited, and I really hope, and I hope that I will add a lot of value out there. And I'm also hoping that the way I get a lot of love from my connections out there, and how through the work that I'm doing, I'm gonna also receive similar love and engagement on this particular channel that I am creating. That will be a boost, a lot of encouragement to put out such more videos out there for you people, right? So yes, and it's something that gonna help you a lot. I would say this because when I was out there, I have really gone through so many YouTube channels. I've taken so many mentorship programs. I paid lakhs and lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of rupees to become an individual, I'll say, to a certain extent what I'm today. And I think what all I'm trying to do is that with the kind of money that I have put in on my self development, I am just trying to put that information out on this particular YouTube channel so that you don't have to really go around so much, go on, check out on YouTube, go to different platforms and study, and figure out on your own what resources to rely on and whom to rely on, right? I'm going to be getting performers in the high performing individuals, great achievers on this particular channel, and we're going to be we're going to be brainstorming a lot of strategies and ideas. We're going to be discussing about a lot of practices that they have done, I have done, and what has given us growth so far. I am super happy, super excited. With the grace of Shiva, I am, launching this YouTube channel, and I am really this time. I don't know why am I so very excited. I am little emotional as well. And I also want to thank my best friend who actually gave me the encouragement, because she sees that how much do I really genuinely care for people out there, and she gave me the encouragement to start this particular channel. Hope this achieves the goal of reaching out to every individual out there who is really trying to figure out how can they grow as a professional, as an individual, intellectually. And I look forward to catching up with you through my different videos. So stay tuned. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button so that you get, and the bell icon so that you get notified about all my new videos. One thing I can guarantee you is that taking gems of learning from this particular channel. And I am super excited to start this. And yeah, that is it. So let's stay connected, and signing off for now. Take care. See you on the other side. Bye.